In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out on Wayfair, providing you with a full walkthrough for 2025. This guide will take you through each step of the checkout process, ensuring you have everything you need to make your purchase as smooth as possible. Let's start with heading over to Wayfair's website. You can do this by typing in wayfair.com into your web browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see a vast array of home furnishings, decorations, and more. If you have a specific item in mind, simply type it into the search bar. Otherwise, feel free to browse through their selections to see what catches your eye. Now, before you get too carried away with shopping, it's a good idea to log into your account. Go ahead and click on the Log In option, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials to access your personal account. This step is crucial as it will allow you to track your order, manage your wish list, and make the checkout process more seamless. Once you're logged in, it's time for the fun part: shopping. As you're exploring the site, choose the items you're interested in by clicking on them for more detail. If you find something you like, select the desired options such as color or size, and then click Add to Cart. You'll notice a small cart icon in the top right corner of the screen. Once you've selected all the items you want to purchase, click on this icon to review your items. Now, take this opportunity to carefully review your full cart. Check each item for correct quantities, colors, or any other specifications to ensure everything is exactly how you want. This step will prevent any surprises when your package arrives at your doorstep. Occasionally, you may have a promo or coupon code to use to get some savings on your purchase. If so, look for the field to enter a promo or coupon code and type it in there. This is usually straightforward but can offer some great discounts, so it's worth taking a moment to see if you have any applicable codes. Next, let's move on to the shipping details. Enter the address you'd like your order delivered to. Ensure that all the details are correct to avoid any delivery hiccups. It's always a good practice to double-check this information. Once your shipping details are set, you will need to choose a payment method. Whether you prefer using a credit card, PayPal, or another payment option, Wayfair offers various methods to make this step convenient for you. With everything in place, it's time to finalize your purchase. Click on the Place Order button, and you're done. You should receive a confirmation email with all your order details, and then it's just a matter of waiting for your items to arrive. And that's how you can successfully check out on Wayfair. Following these steps will make your online shopping experience smooth and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!